Hello, this is Coach Tanki. So re tlo bua ka the muscle mass and the healthy weight today. So it's very important hore your habits today e be tse thusang hore di tle di thuse to build the healthy muscle mass, because how nale di muscles tse leng hore di ngata in your body di tlo kgona ho thusa to increase the metabolic rate, and the metabolic rate e bontsha the rating at which your body e burna the calorie. So if you have the high muscle mass, you can burn more calories at rest, meaning that nako phomoteng o tlo kgona ho burn more calories. So it can help you to build the healthy body weight, because after eating your food ke mo eleng hore there won't be excess body fat e tla be le hore it will be stored in your body. So it can really help you to have the normal muscle mass by eating the enough protein in your body. Thank you.